Kantor here with Kantor Dental Group in San Rafael, California. Today I want to talk about root canal, whether to use a root canal to save a tooth or decide to lose the tooth and do an implant. If you're thinking about this decision, your head's in the right place. This is the exact line of thought you should be thinking, whether or not to save the tooth. Something you need to take the advice of your provider. They can assess the amount of damage that has been done to the tooth best to kind of go over with you whether it's worth doing the root canal or if it's better and more long-term to just go to an implant. I'll give you some examples behind me. This patient has a tooth right here, if I make it a little bit bigger. And if you look right here, there's a dark area here that starts to get close to the root canal. That is the minimum size of something we might do a root canal on. Something I would definitely do a root canal on. I would not consider doing an implant there. That is a great looking tooth. I love everything about that tooth except for the really large cavity, so a prime candidate for a root canal. Now on the other hand, on the same patient, they had two big fillings down here. One down here, one up here. And you can see this filling, it kind of spreads out quite a bit right here. It's in the dark area around this filling, and the filling is the white part. The dark area is the root canal. The filling in this one is so big that when we prepare for a crown, it may not be strong enough to handle a load of chewing, especially on a tooth like that. That would be a tooth, or maybe the one above it up here with this other very large filling that needs a root canal. It may be a tooth where the longevity might not be worth it to do the root canal. You'll get better longevity from a tooth, from an implant tooth. So that's basically the line of thought which I like to do, considering a root canal build-up post-crown can get close to the cost of an implant. You know, in conclusion, it's just best to go with what your dentist sees. This is something only really gained by experience, seeing it all the time, knowing which they think will last longer. I would just talk to your dentist about it and see what they have to say. If you want to come into our office, we're welcome to go over that with you. We're located in San Rafael, California. Please subscribe to our video channel, and we hope to see you soon.